YouTube.
Facebook Live.
YouTube.
Alright. Tell us if we have a YouTube channel.
Yeah man, real one ends.
Alright, that's it. I don't know.
Real man. The general them, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know what they're on the outside. I want to do it. Let everybody see it. Go.
Yeah. Mother Road.
Okay.
Real one ends YouTube there, babes. Big up and bless up to everyone tuning in. And we're in Renaissance Curacao people. Yeah. We do some construction work. As you can see, we have built up this bar area, you know. So show you how I go and see elderly over there. So we are going around there. Real one and YouTube there, peeps. A lot of work going on here, peeps. So now, this is one of our next Mason and Bridging. Put on some nice black hair, you know. Yeah, man. See how work neat, people. Them work here with the Curacao, do you see it? Yeah, man. Elder black, them pretty. See the peeps. Yeah, man. Really hard, man. St. Thomas School, big up on yourself. I want to know people this. Representing Real One and YouTube there. Every time. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, peeps. We are showing you the whole rollings of what go on over here, so we have Father Gregory. Yeah. This is Father Gregory, the engineer. Then we have some 8-inch block. Yeah. The peeps. I can chat different language power this man in the peeps. See the people. Show now what I go on in the peeps. Real One is YouTube there.
You know this time.
All dog YouTube will pass through, you know. Real One is YouTube channel there, all dog. Yeah, man. Yeah. Settings. See me? I want to bless up a shout out. Yeah, man, this is one of our next. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Whole crew there, peeps. So, I'm a G, I do them current work, yeah, people. I want to see it. You see it? Everything tight, nice and neat. I couldn't know so we have positive to make on the street and positive things, you know. And all the way involved in the foolishness. Somehow we decide to work, uplift ourselves. The Jamaican youth do them current work, yeah, people. Now look on them. Yeah, man, we are showing everything, people. We don't have no cruise ship today. Cruise ship leave the other day, so everything set. Now we igloo, drinks, everything there, peeps. So beside Tyler. Tyler mash up some nice styling work, you know? Yeah, man. I am that. Tyler that. I have to show them myself, you know. So the thing set, man. Global, everybody gone and all that. Yeah. Peeps no for them video. Only for Real One is YouTube channel you find them video, believe me. Exclusive. You know? See it there? Exclusive peeps. That is the hotel, Renaissance Hotel. Yeah man. Hell, you block them straight and nice, man. I lie you out. You block them straight and nice, man. Yeah man. Straight and nice, man. Man, I lie you. Anybody see them in a video, yeah? I have to admit to one thing, so them black are really nice. Man, I lie you. Yeah man, your work look good. I remember me Ella Bridge in this year. St. Thomas link up. For real man. Renaissance Curacao peeps. Real One in the up there. One nice cruise ship over there, so. Yeah. Yo, that showing how I go on. Over some peeps. Yeah. Real One and YouTube peeps, we're there. Live and direct in a Curacao. I'll show now how I go on. Yeah. Virgin Gregory over there, so.